it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug unboxing. Yes, so today's video is an unboxing of my Superdrug haul that I did this month. I've kind of decided not to spend too much this month because I usually spend a ridiculous amount a month. I've been doing Revolution haul and a Superdrug haul every month. So this year I've decided to just do one per month. So I did a Revolution haul for January. So this month it's Superdrug. So I think I picked up some really good stuff. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so I'm going to start off with something that I buy from Superdrug very often. It is my favourite eye makeup remover from Simple. It is just their kind of skin normal eye makeup remover. I love this stuff. I've tried various things and this is the best thing that I have ever found. So I'd like to pick it up regularly. So, and I did pick these up on offer. They are often on offer on Superdrug. These were £1.85 down from £3.79. So an absolute steal because I love this. It's about a month to get through one. So I've got like 2 months supply here. Okay, the next thing, and possibly the thing that I am most excited for on this haul, I keep seeing wonderful things about Revolution's new 5D mascara. And when I went to do my Superdrug haul, guess what was on the Star Buys? You know how much I love Revolution. And I just keep seeing marvellous things about this, to be honest. I've not seen a bad review. I think there are some out there. But yeah, I'm so excited. It's super black. It is 5D, extra dimension apparently. It's got extreme extension effect for length. It has lift that gives lashes new heights. It's defined that gives a super separation wide eye look. It's got stretch. It's out of this world impact. And volume, a mega boost for your lashes. It sounds amazing. I got it on Star Buys for £5.99 instead of £8. No, £8.99, sorry. I thought that didn't sound right. So, beyond excited to try this. It will be on a Try It Tuesday, probably soon because I'm excited. Although I do realise I did just review a mascara a couple of weeks ago. So, okay, next I picked up some of Superdrug's own things. There was a 3 for 2 on all like face masks and stuff and like foot care and whatnot. I wanted some of these. I've got some pore strips at the minute and I don't particularly like them very much. The ones I don't feel like they do anything. So I checked what Superdrug had. These are just from their Spa Retreat range, which is Superdrug themselves. I think there's only 2 in here if I remember rightly. 2 nose strips, yeah, and it is their charcoal and volcanic ash one. The reviews were good, so I thought I'd give them a try. They were £1.49. You get 2, what's that, 75p each. So if they're good, fantastic. If they're not, they were £1.49. And actually, they were free because there was a 3 for 2 on. And I got 2 other things, so I'll show you. Now, I'm going to be completely honest. I do not need these things. I have a box full. If you've been on my Instagram, you will see just how many face masks I have in my collection. But I picked up 2 more because, hey, why not? So, I might as well show you them together because they're from the same range. I picked up 2 from the it's Superdrug's Smooth Me Plus range. These were £2.99, but they were on 3 for 2. They're still on 3 for 2 at the minute that I'm filming this. They are often on 3 for 2, I think, that whole face mask and foot pack kind of range. So I picked up a collagen one. Collagen's a really important ingredient for our skin. I've just been talking to a friend of mine about collagen a lot recently, and I saw this, so I thought I would pick that up. They are vegan, so it's not like fish collagen or anything. So excellent. And then I picked up a retinol sheet mask. I aren't using retinol in my skincare at the minute, but I did see a post on Instagram the other day that said, if you remember any of these things, you need to start using retinol. And I remembered all of the things. They were like early mid-90s things. So yeah. Right, so yeah, didn't need any face masks, but these have got nice ingredients, so I'll definitely use them. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is from e.l.f. and it is their Poreless Putty Primer. I am currently using and have been using for a little while the Revolution dupe of this, basically. And I say that I like the Revolution one better. and I've just got the last one that I have in my collection of that out. So I thought I'd pick up the e.l.f. one and see basically which one I do like the best, because they're both the same price. They're both exactly the same price. The Revolution one comes with a little spatula to get it out with, which I like. Really like that, and I don't believe the e.l.f. one did when I had that. But I might do a video with a half face maybe with this. I don't know. I'm going to do something to try them both out together. So this is £8. The Revolution one I think is also £8. And they're really, really good. I really like them. They're very, very similar. I think the Revolution one I said had the edge for me, but this one's also very good. And for all I know, I'm maybe just bigging the Revolution one up because it's the one that I actually used last. Also from e.l.f. I decided to pick up another of their primers. I got their Poreless Face Primer. This sounded really nice. This one was £7.50, so it's a bit cheaper. And because I picked this up, I also got another offer, so I'll show you that in a minute. No, this sounded good, and the reviews were good, and it said it had tea tree in it, I think, which I thought would be nice for my face. And I just thought, why not try a few more primers? You know, that Poreless Putty Primer thing might be nonsense compared to other things. So I picked another one up. Okay, and because I spent £15 on e.l.f. products, I got a free mystery bag, and it is full of vegan products apparently. So it is in a clear bag, so I will have a little look with you now at what we've got. There's so much more than I thought. There's lots of things in there for free. I love a freebie, but my goodness, how good is this? Right, let's have a look. Okay. So first thing that I could see is some cleansing cloths. I think I've tried these before and they're pretty decent. I don't tend to use like your makeup remover wipes very often, to be honest. I like a double cleanse, but in a pinch, or if you just want it in a quick swipe round in the morning when you get up before taking the dog out for a walk or something, they are useful. They do come in handy. Or if I want to change my makeup look, you know, or whatever, wipe a bit of stuff off, useful. So they're nice, that's a good one to start. Okay, next we get a HD powder in sheer. Okay, so I'm guessing this is like a setting powder. High definition loose powder that creates soft focus effects on the skin. It helps to mask fine lines and imperfections for radiant looking complexion. Sounds nice. Definitely give that a go. Next we have a tinted lip oil in Berry Kiss. Oh, it's like a purpley colour. Okay. Like a bit of purple. Conditioning lip oil softly tints the lips with a wash of colour. The lightweight oil melts onto lips, creating a luminous shine for healthy looking lips. Enriched with jojoba, apricot and vitamin E to moisturise and nourish. That sounds lovely. Oh my god, am I getting a stash of things for Try It Tuesday? I might have to do like several Try It Tuesdays every Tuesday to get through the stuff I want to try. I really might. Okay, next. Ooh, we have a brush. It is a small angled brush, so that's probably good for like brows or eyeliner. So I always love a new makeup brush. I don't think I've had any makeup brushes from e.l.f. And then the final thing that we get then is their daily face cleanser with purified water. It's like a full-size cleanser. That's massive. So this one, it just says it washes away dirt and makeup with their gentle, soothing cleanser. It's infused with purified water to hydrate skin and to formulate skin feeling clean and renewed. It's a cleanser. Do you know what? I wasn't expecting all this. I thought that you expect most freebies to just be naff stuff that they're trying to get rid of. Which, I mean, it might be all this stuff might be complete and utter nonsense, but we've got makeup wipes, we've got a makeup brush, we've got face powder, we've got like a lip tint, and we've got a cleanser. That's amazing for free. All because I spent £15 with them. Isn't it fantastic? I spent like, yeah, £15.50 I think on these two products, and then I got a big armful of products for nothing. That's just incredible. Can you tell I'm excited? I love a freebie. So unfortunately, I have checked and that offer on the free mystery bag is no longer on, but e.l.f. products are currently discounted on Superdrug. So you can still pick up a bag. But definitely look out for any mystery bags. Superdrug do them so often. There are Revolution ones on there all the time. Superdrug, honestly, it's worth checking every month because they have some absolutely fantastic bargains. The Star Buys renew every Wednesday, so yeah, unfortunately the mascara will not be on the offer now. Post's been a little bit slow from Superdrug recently, but I think the value for money that you get outweighs the fact that you have to wait a few more days for delivery. It's fine. Anyway, guys, drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the things I picked up. Are you wowed by that mystery bag like I was? Have you tried the Revolution mascara? What do you think? Yeah, drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And if you have enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I've got hauls coming all the time, unboxings of various beauty boxes. Like I said, I'm doing Try It Tuesdays to try all my makeup stash out because I've got quite a lot and I keep adding to it all the time. The idea of just doing a Superdrug haul and Revolution one like every other month was so I cut down on the amount of stuff I was buying, because both places do stuff that I use regularly, so I do need to keep topping up. But then I also can't resist picking up some new stuff. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Take care.